Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today we are making eggplant sauce with plantain. Come with me and let's cook. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, thank you for your love and support. Come with me and let's cook together. For our ingredients, guys, we'll be needing our tuna flakes, stock cube and chopped tomatoes, some eggs. This is our almighty salted tilapia, Kobe, some oil, palm oil, crochet or crochet and aubergine, or zucchini. Zucchini or crochet is the same. Avocado, plantain, blended tomatoes and pepper, salt to taste, chopped onion and shredded onion. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our cooking, guys. We are done with the cutting of our crochet and aubergine, guys. Look, so we'll go ahead and add water to it, some salt. Always salt to your taste, and then cover it and cook it. We'll go ahead and add the oil to the pan. And put off the fire, on the fire. Our oil is hot. I'll go ahead and add our salted tilapia. Guys, this Kobe that I'm using is really super salty. I don't know why. And to get rid of excess saltiness in your Kobe, I already soaked it for a long time, but I still need to add this to the onions to the Kobe and absorb some of the salt out in the stew, so that we will not add any salt to our sauce. Check out this sauce. Well, can't afford it. Do maybe with the coffee, but yet hey, so I find it difficult to get all the ingredients that you need. But you can also use your aubergine or crochet to make your natural froye papabi. So this is what I am doing, guys. Vegetable sauce with a twist. My salted tilapia or Kobe is ready, guys, so I'll go ahead and remove it. I am able to infuse some of the flavors from the salted tilapia to this oil. The flavors here with the combination of the onions will really amaze you. I'll go ahead and add my blended pepper and tomatoes. We stir everything. We'll go ahead and add our stock cube and our chopped tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. We stir everything in. Guys, we'll go ahead and add our tuna flakes. Very and chakra, very easy to make, and you can make it under 20 minutes. Trust me, it doesn't take much time. And chakra na ape. Look, so we'll go ahead and cover it on a medium heat. Check out how our aubergine or crochet and check out how our aubergine and crochet is doing. Guys, it's doing so good. Or zucchini, it's doing so good. It cooks. I'll go ahead and put on the fire. As you can see, because we We use less water in this one. We steam the vegetables. There's no water on it, just a little bit of water. The vegetables look so green and beautiful. It's not overcooked. So we'll go ahead and break our egg, and we'll go ahead and break our eggs and add it to the sauce. Let's go ahead and add our eggs to this sauce. And then we'll add our shredded onions. And cover our sauce on a medium heat. We go ahead and blend out. Look at these goodies here. They say, we pile body and I'll buy your PC. You can even use it to eat your rice, guys. Stir our sauce beautifully. I will go ahead and add my Kobe. Cover it up. We'll go ahead and add some salt to our PC and then cover it up. Look at this yummy-cious. It's so yummy, guys. It's so yummy and delicious. This is already, guys. So go ahead and add cold water. Remember, cold water. What is a PC without pay, guys? Happened is so. Gala did this so. I find it they can take it to power. We'll go ahead and dig in our sauce. Look at this delicious, guys, and then serve. Guys, thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious healthy meal. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Adios. Kiss kiss.